For the record, you cannot fly drones at Vasquez Rock because the park ranger just told us not to. And as I was landing the drone, an airplane flew right overhead. So yeah, you can't do it. The hike here is not too bad. You can easily just go back to where you came from if it gets too hard for you, but it's really steep. And the good thing is it's all rock, mostly rock, so it's not like sand, so you won't slip as much, but it is just really steep depending on where you go. So made it. But you have a lot of options, and it's nice because you can take off your mask since it's so big and spread apart that I think we only ran into people twice, but with lots of space to, you know, go the other way. So a big pile of poop, and we don't know which kind of animal that is that's out here. So anyways, that was horse poop. Also, when we first got here, everyone was parking on the side of the road right before the entrance. So it seems like, I don't know if people just want to hike longer or they don't know, but there's I think 3 main parking lots here, and you can park right next to the rock. You know, that way you don't have to walk as much.
Dress lighter.
Yeah. If it says 60 degrees, it doesn't feel like that because of the desert sun. Everyone dressed light, except us with our sweaters and our pants, but yeah. Wow, are those seesaws?
No, they're picnic tables turned upside down.
Oh. Alright, well that's it. Till next time, bye. Alright, what do you have to say?
My wife made me be here.